Hello friends, welcome to Tech and Tricks. Today we are going to solve a cylindrical barrel. This is a cylinder barrel puzzle and which contains 5 colors, not 6. White and yellow on both the faces, and green, pink and blue. Which is similar to 3x3 Rubik's Cube, which means it is very easy to solve. Here, two center cubes are there in white and yellow sides. Apart from these two cubes, 4 center cubes also there in pink side. Okay. While going to solve this cube, we need to facing one of the pink center cube in front of us. Here I am going to make a white cross. For that I brought that white color to yellow face. This is an example. Okay, and I have to check the center also, center pink also. This is correct now, so I just brought it down. Okay, and the next side I have to go to the next side to yellow color and go to down. The next one, that is also okay, and the last one, this is the last one. Okay, this is not in perfectly matched, so I just rotate 90 degree and bring to the yellow side. That is okay now. But here the pink color, it is not coincide with the green. There are two edges are there. To solve that area, we need to rotate 90 degree and bring it to as per before. Okay now, and go to down. Now we got a cross, white cross. Now we move to the next step, first layer. The 3 corner cubes are there and one is remaining. First of all, we have to find out that corner cube. Yes, this is the corner cube, and do RH algorithm. What is RH algorithm? R, U, R dash, again U dash. Now we complete that layer. You can see that we completed first layer. And step 3 is edge pairing. Edge pairing is pink color. This is one edge cube. It should match with this area. Okay, so we have to rotate anti-clockwise. Sorry, we have to rotate clockwise, then do RH algorithm first. R, U, R dash, again U dash. Then LH algorithm, L dash, U dash, L and U. You see, it is matched here properly. Now 3 are completed and 1 is remaining. Okay, for that this cube should be come to this area. So I just rotate anti-clockwise, then do LH algorithm first. This is similar to 3x3 Rubik's Cube solving edge pairing. That is also completed now. We got the 2 layers successfully completed. The next step is yellow cross. But here we get only 4 yellow colors. One is missing. Actually, this is a parity case. How to solve this? To solve this parity case, we need to do a lengthy algorithm. Okay, which is R, U, R dash, U2 R U2 again R dash U F dash U dash and F. Okay, you see we got an L shape. We call it as inverted L shape. Okay, apart from L shape, there are two other possibilities are there. One is a single dot yellow and the other one is a line. If it is a inverted L shape, we have to solve in this method. Rotate to front layer clockwise, then do RH algorithm. You see we got a yellow cross. Okay, the other two possibilities which is a yellow dot, which means 4 other yellows are not there, and second possibility is a line are there. I will explain now. This is a case of yellow line. In this case we have to do an algorithm. Rotate front layer clockwise, then do RH algorithm, R U R dash again U dash, and bring that front layer anti-clockwise. Now you see we got a yellow cross. Another possibility is yellow dot. Okay, here also we have to do the same algorithm. Front layer clockwise and do RH algorithm, R U R dash U dash again F anti-clockwise. Now you see we didn't get a cross, we got a inverted L shape. Now what we do, both the front layer and clockwise, then do RH algorithm, which is already done in the last time. Okay, you see we got a perfect yellow cross, and we are moved to the final step. For that we kept that barrel yellow side should be down and do RH algorithm until the yellow color facing down. Okay, yes, we got a yellow color downside, and rotate to the another position and do RH algorithm. Okay, now you see yellow is facing down, and the last one bring it the position and do RH algorithm until we got the complete cube. This is similar to 3x3 Rubik's cube, so it is not needed to explain. You see we got a perfect barrel.